Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It's March the 14th, about 7:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation for the E-mini today. So we took a look at the opening last night around 209.50, somewhere in that area, and we just consolidated sideways between this red dash zone, real strong pivot, and our first target for the day, which would have been 211.25. So this zone held for us, and we came right back down through that zone and then right back into the next zone. We down here at 204, between 204 and 202. So that pretty much consolidated there all night. So let's be real cautious of this area. So our first scenario, obviously, we're going to consolidate in this area as well. The market kind of digests what happened with Mario over there in Europe and oil sliding last night, and just a couple things. No major economic reports today, so let's just be cautious and let's take a look at what we can do here. What we're looking for now is a bounce off here, right back up into this red dash zone here. So once it hits this and gets through and fails the 24-hour VWAP as well, you want to look for first target back down here for a double bottom around this 204 level. Now, if it never makes it back up here, but chances are we're going to go up here and just consolidate right in this little area before breaking up. However, for the first scenario to look at, as we break down to this here, look for a strong bounce off the 204 area to go right back up to this zone around 211.50. If you miss that, somewhere around 209, somewhere in that area, we should get a pullback and retest this zone, this red DTZ here, and then there would be opportunity to go long for first target at 211.50. After that, look for a pullback again right in this area if we're going to go up, and it's going to go right back through this zone, right up into his area. Look for a pullback around 215 area to pull back into this zone and come back and retest this top here at 211.75, possibly 212.75, that 1 point area in there. Then we should spring right up and go right up and hit this 220 mark today if the bulls take control. Target would obviously be 220 or up to 221 in this area. So take some profit off and keep a run around later there. If we can get through this zone again, we're going to come back and probably pull back into this area and go right up into here. Break through, pull back into this zone. This is your chance to retake a long or add to your position and go right back up into this area and possibly work our way to 230 as probably a high for today area, somewhere between 230 232, unless the market just takes off for some strange reason. Again, we have a next target up to 238, 248 area, but don't expect that to happen. So if we look to the downside now, is we do what we just talked about just for 1 second ago, touch this red dash zone here, come back, and going to come all the way through here, probably double bottom and then go up. However, if we go up here and it retests the 24-hour view off the white line and the red dash zone, we get a failure, and we're going to come right back into the zone. A little bit of consolidation right here, and then we should break straight down for this scenario. Probably first target would be somewhere around the 97 area, and then obviously down into the zone. But be cautious between right here in this 97 and this zone. There could be some good support there as we broke that 2000 area coming down. We might even push right back up to the 2000 level, possibly into this zone, but look to come all the way back down into this area if we're going to have a down day. After that, look for it to scream right down here to the tiny 2 area, back up to retest possibly this 97 area. I know that seems like a lot, but this is the way the market should move to the downside today. Then we will continue all the way down. Next zone, next target, 1984 should be the low to today. If we happen to get it down in the area, good time to go long and sit and just wait and let this thing climb back up today. As always, take your targets early, take 50% of your profit off, and let the runners run. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers and Menza. Have a great day.